Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. So we are going to be doing a February update here for all of the passive income that I earned in the shortest month of the year here in 2019. We are going to go ahead and break it down and go through what are the different avenues or streams that I'm earning this passive income from. And at the end, we're going to be taking 3 questions you guys had from the last video and answering them here in this video. My plan is to every single month when I do this video, go ahead and answer any of the questions that you guys have related to affiliate marketing or passive income or anything we talk about in this video. Now, before we get into the video, I just wanted to mention real quick that I've been getting countless emails from people asking, how do you build a following on YouTube, or how do you build a following with a podcast or on Instagram or any of these different platforms. And personally, I have my blog, my Instagram, and my YouTube channel here that all have a decent following. And so what I decided to do is put together a completely free guide, or blueprint is what I'm calling it. It's basically a 5-step blueprint that shows you guys exactly how I've been able to build large followings across 3 different platforms. Now I'm coming out with a course soon on affiliate marketing. I was going to include it as a part of that course, but after I put it all together, I felt this was tremendously valuable and I wanted to just share it with you guys for free. So it's a completely free guide, a 5-step blueprint on building your following online. That is the top link in the description below, and I'll be sending that guide over to you via Facebook Messenger if you guys are interested, and I hope you guys enjoy that as my gift to you. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead and get into the income streams that I made, over $24,000 of passive income from in the month of February. And number one, the first source or stream of income for me is these investing accounts or brokerage accounts that I'm affiliated with. And the reason why I'm able to be affiliated with them is because that is the niche that I am in. I talk about personal finance, I talk about investing on this channel, and as a part of that, I have about 12.5 review videos that go ahead and review these different brokerage companies out there, or basically these accounts that you can invest with. If you're not familiar with the stock market, when you actually want to buy and sell stocks, you have to do that through a stockbroker, and there are all these different options out there. And so I've put together helpful review articles on my blog and videos on my YouTube channel, and when people watch those, if they click those links, I earn a commission in the process. Now, unfortunately, I can't share with you guys exactly which of these companies I'm earning this amount from, but if you look at my channel, you can kind of figure out who my affiliates are, and I always disclose those relationships in those videos just from a legality standpoint. But number one, the first one was a $4,580 payment from a smaller up-and-coming brokerage company that I'm affiliated with. The second one was a commission of $4,500. Number 3 came in at $1,935. Number 4, the fourth one here, is a peer-to-peer lending platform that I am affiliated with, and I earned a commission of $110 for the month. That is 11 $10 commissions. And the one that I earned $4,500 from, that was 45 $100 commissions. And then the final one here under this category is a crowdfunded real estate investing platform that I'm affiliated with, where I earned a monthly commission here of $900. Basically, I earn $50 every time somebody opens up an account with them. So I had 18 people watch one of my videos or read one of my articles and then open an account, earning me that $900. So just from this one source here, these investing account reviews on YouTube or on my blog, we're looking at about $11,000 of earnings, and I'll have a tally at the bottom, keeping track of these as we go. Now, the second passive income source here is the sales of my course. I do have a stock market investing course that I put together way back in August of 2017. So it's been massively discounted because the course is older. The information is not necessarily bad or outdated, but some of the examples are that I've used when I look at particular stocks in that course. So I used to sell that course for $497. Now I just sell it for $197. I really don't promote it in any of my videos, but just by nature of people being curious and clicking into my description, I do get a couple sales a month. So I had 2 sales of that stock market investing course, earning me $394 in the month of February. The third category that I earn, passive income from online from my business is the influencer affiliates on my channel. So I've done a lot of different interviews with different influencers on my channel, and essentially a lot of these influencers have their own courses or digital products or things that they are selling. And if somebody watches one of those videos, decides they want to learn more from that particular influencer, and then purchases their course, I earn a commission in the process. That's called like a business collaboration or a venture between two of these influencers. And as a result, you can earn some pretty hefty commissions, but obviously you want to make sure you're always working with people that align with your message and with your brand. So I had 4 that earned me commissions in the month of February. The big one here, $9,374. And that I don't expect to stay at that rate. Usually when you have a collaboration, as soon as you drop those videos, you're going to get the most sales and it's going to drop off over time. So I do expect that one to taper off. Number 2, the second one after seller fees came in at $561.99. Number 3, $967.79. And then number 4, the last one here, is a small educational program related to stock market trading that I'm affiliated with, and I earned $148.50. So we also had 5 figures of passive income earned this month from the influencer affiliates category on my channel. Number 4, the fourth one, I think it's one that most of us are familiar with. That is the Amazon Associates program. If you look in the description of my video or any of the videos on my channel, you'll see links to different books that I recommend, and I used to link to different products, maybe camera gear and stuff I was using. And so I do get a small amount of commissions that come in through that avenue. In this month in particular, it was $133.68. So not a crazy amount of money, but for basically pasting links in my description, it is well worth it. So that's a very small income stream there, the Amazon Associates program. And then number 5, the fifth one here under the web services category, this is a course creation platform that I'm affiliated with. I use it to create all of my courses, and I've had a lot of people sign up for that under my recommendation, and I earn a recurring monthly commission from that. And in the month of February, it was $474.30. And so what we have for February, a grand total of $24,079.26 of passive income. And obviously I also earn a fair amount of ad revenue from my YouTube videos. There's an argument people have of whether or not that's passive income, so I rule it out entirely. But when you factor in also the YouTube ad revenue I'm earning, I'm up over $1,000 a day, mostly of passive income. And what's amazing to me is that I really only started implementing affiliate marketing into my business model back in June of 2018. So in a very short period of time, it's become, the main income source for my channel. Okay, so that is it for the update here for February, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and take 3 of the questions from the last video related to affiliate marketing or online business or anything in that realm, and we're going to go ahead and answer those. And I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what questions you guys have, and I may potentially answer them in my March update when we go over the passive income that I've earned in March. But the first question came in here from Ismail James, and he asked, what software do you use to track your leads and earnings like the one in this video? Look forward to your reply. And there's a couple different softwares that are popular out there. One of them is called the Ambassador Program, and the other one is called Impact Radius, but I actually don't get to decide to use those. Every single company is going to have their own affiliate platform. A lot of them use Impact Radius. Some of them don't have affiliate platforms. Impact Radius gives you the most data and the most tracking for your links, and it allows you to see, okay, am I getting referrals for these different brokerage accounts from my blog or from Instagram or from YouTube? It kind of allows me to split those out and see exactly what of the 3 online presences I have are driving the leads and the conversions. Number 2, the second question here came from JD Meany. He asked, how do you go about starting affiliate marketing? Well, personally, I started with Amazon Associates. I just did a video. It's either up on my channel now or it's going to be up shortly talking about my top 3 favorite ways to start making $100 a day. And my number 1 is using the Amazon Associates program and simply taking products that you already own, that you're already knowledgeable of, and reviewing these products and then linking to them on Amazon and earning a commission when people go ahead and purchase that product. Is that going to make you $1 million? Probably not, but it's the easiest way, in my opinion, to get started with affiliate marketing with very little upfront investment. You're not going to put any money into it if you already own these products, and it's pretty easy to get accepted into that affiliate program. Third and final question comes from Mega Grace is Cool. It says, how do I build an audience for my blog? Do I need to start a YouTube channel to drive traffic to it or pay for Facebook ads? You don't have to do any of that if you don't want to, but what I will tell you is that blogging is by far the slowest method for growing a following online. I've been building my blog, Investing Simple, for the last couple of months, and we're looking at like 100 to 150 hits a day from search. So very small amount of traffic based on the effort we've put into it, but blogging is a very long-term payoff, but potentially it can earn you a significant amount of money as you're able to capitalize on the largest search engine in the world, which is Google. So when people are searching for product reviews, if they find your blog as a result, that could be earning you, a significant amount of money. But, using search engine number 2, the second largest one, which is YouTube, is also a great option, and it's not nearly as competitive. But if you're looking for faster results, that may happen by, leveraging a YouTube channel or paying for ads. I don't pay for any ads right now for any of my online presences. But if you're looking to bootstrap it, you just have to invest a lot of time into making really good content and then just be really patient as your blog grows over the course of 12 to 18 months. All right, anyways, guys, that wraps up the February update here for my passive income from my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop me a comment down below if you guys have any questions related to affiliate marketing or anything related to my online business, and I'll try to answer a couple in the next video. And like I said, if you guys want to grab that completely free guide, that 5-step blueprint on building a following online, that is the top link in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next month's update.